Welcome back to my channel. I am actually not in Michigan as I filmed this video. I am in Arizona, and I'm in Surprise, Arizona. So, I'm here visiting some family, and while I was here, I thought I would do a little bit of hiking, and I'm meeting up with one of my nephews this morning, and we are going to hike at a place called the Phoenix Mountain Preserve, and we are going to be meeting up in about an hour from now at the North Mountain Visitor Center, and they have a little bit of a museum there as well, so if I can get in to film some of that, I'm going to do that as well. And we're going to do supposedly doing a 4-mile hike this morning in the desert. Should be nice cool weather, so it might be like a light jacket weather. So I will see you there. This could be the first of a series I start doing on places around the country, as I plan to do a little bit more traveling this year. So I'll probably add a new series of videos on my channel of just hiking places I've done around the country. But come along and join me and let's have some fun. So we're at the Phoenix Mountain Preserve, doing one of the trails that my nephew's father-in-law is taking us on. And it's a little bit of a cool morning, but beautiful weather, beautiful skies. So I'm just gonna have some fun and just enjoy this new terrain and environment. I'm trying out some new trail runners, so maybe I'll do a review on those when I get back to my hotel. Well, let's keep going. keep falling back on trail because I keep stopping to film such cool stuff. A lot of fun on this trail. It's very different walking on a rocky slate gravel whole trail path. It's been a while since I've done this. Kind of cool. Heart rocks. Or rock heart, whatever you want to call it. Rock heart art. Art, rock art. So we just came up the hill from hell, and these guys had no trouble with it, but me, I'm suffering. So I just had a great time with these guys hiking this morning. It was just fabulous. We had a wonderful morning hike. Got warmer as the morning got on, but definitely a wonderful trail, great views, a lot of mountains. This was definitely a moderate to difficult trail system, and definitely a fun hike. Had a good time. One of the guys is a retired police officer, and a lot of fun chatting with those guys this morning. So if you like today's adventure, please leave me a comment, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next adventure. Hopefully I'll have a lot more videos coming this year around the United States, because I plan to do a little bit of traveling. So talk to you soon.